Up past 𝕾𝖒𝖔𝖐𝖊𝖓𝖙 where the pavement fades, wind starts talking through the mountain shade. Climb that road where the sky hangs low, top of Spruce knob, that's all I know. Ain't no street lights where I come from, just cold night air and a shotgun hum. Gravel roads turn to mud in the rain, wash out quick through the mountain lanes. Black dirt on my jeans, same stain in my soul. Raised up where them tall pines grow. Granddaddy's got that jar out back, says slow your roll and don't just fast. Old Chevy climbing, engine straining high, up them curves where the guardrails ride. Got a dog on the porch and a rack on the wall. Out here we don't talk, we let freedom call. Screen door creak in the evening breeze, crickets sing through the Appalachian trees. Mama said stay humble, daddy said stand tall. Now I light one up when the night wind calls. Hear them trees start singing low, my bones and soul. I'm a backwoods, down-home country boy. House Spruce knob where we make our noise. Little bit of outlaw, little bit of pride, little bit of smoke I can't keep inside. From the valley floor to the rocky crown, yeah, that 304 still holding me down. Above the clouds where the cold winds blow, I'm high on Spruce knob, that's all I know. Yeah. Past Seneca Rocks where the tourists go, it's a different world where the back roads flow. Red spruce standing tall and straight, guarding secrets of the mountain state. Boardwalk trail to the overlook line, miles and miles of the wild untied. Clouds rolling like a ghost down low, sometimes you're standing where they don't go. Ravens call through the valley below, echo bounce where the cold winds blow. Hey, 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 got the Cherokee blood in the way I stand. Feel it in the dirt and the stony land. I don't need no gold, don't need no fame, just a little piece in the family name. Time slows down on the mountainside, ain't no rushing this kind of life. Just the wind and the firelight glow and the sound of the world moving slow. I'm a backwoods, down-home country boy. House Spruce knob where we make our noise. Little bit of outlaw, little bit of pride, little bit of smoke I can't keep inside. From the valley floor to the rocky crown, yeah, that 304 still holding me down. Above the clouds where the cold winds blow, I'm high on Spruce knob, that's all I know. Yeah, I stood on that ridge looking out for miles, thinking about life and the waiting trials. All that hurt I used to hold feels real small in that mountain cold. Every step got a pass beneath, and the roots and the rock and the earth I breathe. Wind cut sharp but it clears my head, like the words my old man said. When the fog rolls in, it clears my mind, leaves all the noise way back behind. It ain't just smoke, it's slowing down, it's finding peace where the wild is found. Out here lost don't mean gone for good, means you found your way back where you should. No lights, no sound, just wine moving all around. Fire burn, heartbeat slow, everything you need you already know. No suit, no tie, just dirt and grit, hard-earned life, and I'm proud of it. Wouldn't trade this view for a city line. This wild mountain life is mine. If the world goes dark, I still stand strong with a fire in my hand and a country song. I'm a backwoods, down-home country boy. House Spruce knob where we make our noise. Little bit of outlaw, little bit of pride, little bit of smoke I can't keep inside. From the valley floor to the rocky crown, yeah, the 304 still holding me down. Above the clouds where the cold winds that's all I know. Yeah, yeah, I'm high on spruce now, where the eagles fly, where the fog rolls thick and the air stays dry, where the roots run deep and the hearts don't fold. Yeah, the mountain life's all I know. Yeah, oh, the past Judy Gap, where the road gets thin, that's where my life and my roots begin. If you ain't stood where the sky hangs low, you don't know Spruce, nah, you don't know.